Let's go up there. Oh, are you waiting for me? Okay, let's start. Palma de Mallorca, the jewel of the Mediterranean. With its stunning beaches, its rich cultural heritage, and a vibrant lifestyle, Palma offers the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. It's a place where you can enjoy extravagant nightlife, but still find peaceful spots to unwind. Welcome to this $45 million estate in Palma de Mallorca. Set in the hills west of Palma, known as the Beverly Hills of Mallorca, surrounded by beautiful Mediterranean gardens perfectly framing its stunning architecture. This home offers almost 27,000 square feet of living space with 3 buildings, 10 bedrooms, and 9 bathrooms. That's enough with the boring stats. Let me show you what this compound is all about. The attention to detail is unmatched, home to one of the most incredible collections of art in the world. Don't let the 3 newly redesigned spacious floors intimidate you. You've got 2 private elevators. Right now we're standing in the largest private spa and fitness area on the entire island. A jacuzzi, an indoor pool, a sauna, a steam room, and a home gym. This home truly has it all. There's one detail that makes this property absolutely incredible, but that is for later. Nestled in the hills of Somvida, surrounded by Michelin-star restaurants, art galleries, shopping, and hotels, this home has panoramic views of the marina and the cathedral. One of my favorite features of this home, though, is one of the 3 pools actually turns into either a helicopter pad or a dance floor for entertaining. How could you not fall in love with these incredible panoramic views? I'm Nuvola Capitania with Engel & Motors Vancouver. Thank you so much for touring the most incredible home on Mallorca Island with me. I'll see you on the next one.